Imagine a kitchen gadget that not only saves you time, but also transforms your family dinners into healthy, flavorful feasts, without the hassle. Enter this Cosori 9qt 10-in-1 dual air fryer, a culinary powerhouse designed to make cooking a breeze for busy parents, health-conscious foodies, and anyone craving delicious meals with minimal effort. With its innovative dual basket design and 10 versatile cooking functions, this air fryer is here to elevate your cooking game. Let's dive into why this is the must-have appliance of 2025 and how it can revolutionize your mealtime routine. Why the Cosori dual air fryer stands out. Cooking for a family can feel like juggling. Different tastes, dietary needs, and schedules often clash. The Cosori dual air fryer solves these challenges with its 9-quart capacity split into two 4.5-quart baskets, allowing you to whip up a full meal in one go. Whether you're roasting chicken in one basket and baking veggies in the other, or preparing a kid-friendly snack alongside a gourmet treat, this air fryer delivers balanced, flavorful meals without mixing flavors. Plus, it's packed with features that make cooking intuitive, healthy, and fun. Here's why it's stealing the spotlight. Dual basket magic. Cook 2 dishes at once with separate 4.5-quart baskets. No flavor crossover, so your seafood stays savory and your veggies stay fresh. SyncCook and SyncFinish technology. Sync settings across both baskets or ensure different dishes finish simultaneously for perfectly timed dinners. 10 cooking functions. From air frying and roasting to broiling and baking, plus preheat and shake options, it handles everything with ease. Healthy and crispy results. Uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, delivering crispy exteriors and juicy interiors at up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher-safe baskets and detachable plates make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Recipe inspiration. Galore. Comes with 130+ recipes, 30 in a cookbook, 100 online, tailored for families, kids, and fitness enthusiasts. A day in the life with Cosori. Picture this. It's a hectic weeknight and your family's craving something wholesome yet quick. You pop some seasoned chicken wings in one basket and sweet potato fries in the other. Thanks to the SyncCook function, both baskets cook at the same temperature and time with a single button press. Meanwhile, the visible windows let you peek at the golden crispiness without opening the baskets. In under 20 minutes, dinner's ready. Crisp, flavorful, and guilt-free with less oil. The best part? The kids love it, and cleanup takes minutes, leaving you more time to relax. For couples, the SyncFinish function is a game changer. Imagine preparing a juicy steak in one basket and roasted asparagus in the other, both finishing at the exact same moment for a warm, romantic dinner. No more cold sides or overcooked mains, just perfectly timed meals for two. Who's this air fryer for? The Cosori dual air fryer is perfect for busy families. Feed everyone in one go, with kid-friendly and adult-approved dishes cooked simultaneously. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy low-oil meals packed with flavor, ideal for fitness buffs or those watching their diet. Small households. Couples or roommates can cook smaller portions without wasting energy. Beginner chefs. The included recipes and intuitive controls make gourmet cooking accessible to all. Real benefits that make a difference. Let's break down why this air fryer is a game changer for your kitchen. Time-saving convenience. The dual basket design and sync features cut cooking time in half, letting you focus on what matters: family time. Healthier meals, made simple. With 85% less oil, you can indulge in crispy favorites like fries or wings without the guilt. Versatility for every craving. From baking desserts to roasting proteins, its 10 functions handle breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Any downsides? No appliance is perfect. The Cosori's 9-quart size might feel bulky for tiny kitchens, so measure your counter space before buying. Also, while the recipe library is extensive, advanced cooks might want more creative dishes. That said, the included recipes are a fantastic starting point for most users, and the online community offers endless inspiration. Why you should buy now. The Cosori 9qt 10-in-1 dual air fryer isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, promotes healthier eating, and makes cooking fun for everyone, from novices to seasoned chefs. Whether you're feeding a crowd or enjoying a cozy dinner for two, its dual baskets, sync technology, and low-oil cooking deliver results that taste as good as they feel. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.